A Swiss tourist has died of swine flu in Jodhpur, setting off alarm bells, especially since it is the peak tourist season in Rajasthan. While the state has been the worst hit, reports of swine flu cases are coming in from across the country.
Swine flu now a cause for alarm. The ministry advising states to vaccinate all health workers.
We have actually we have been monitoring the strains also. So our center in NIV Pune, the National Apex Laboratory, the same with the NCDC here, we have been monitoring. So the strains have not changed. So even the vaccines which are available, they are effective, still effective. The drugs are still effective. There is no resistance there. So question is only a logistic of the people suspecting at a proper time.
The worst hit states, Rajasthan, 117 dead since the beginning of the year and over 1,400 positive cases. Gujarat, 108 deaths but equally worrying the extent of the disease. A dozen districts in the state reporting more than 1,000 cases. Telangana, 946 positive cases and 46 dead. In Rajasthan, the latest victim, a 70-year-old Swiss tourist on a holiday in the state who died at a Jodhpur hospital on Thursday.
Even the tourists who are visiting us in Rajasthan, there is an epidemic and this must be taken care of. If anyone at all finds themselves with slight sniffles, they should immediately get it checked.
In Gujarat, the state government has created additional swine flu isolation wards and more testing labs. But for patients, what's crucial is access to hospitals treating swine flu at the earliest. In Madhya Pradesh, protest against the health department's inability to cope with the outbreak of the disease. And a worried Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan personally visiting wards in Bhopal to review arrangements.
In Madhya Pradesh, the swine flu outbreak continues. So far, 44 people have died due to the H1N1 virus. That is what the state government claims. And as of now, 66 people are being treated for the virus across the state. We are here at one of the testing centers where people are lining up to actually check themselves up because they are suffering from the H1N1 symptoms here.
Maharashtra now has close to 300 cases of swine flu.
Now, the BMC has undertaken a number of measures because what doctors are really saying is that although the most number of deaths have been reported from Nagpur, Mumbai is really at a greater risk because it has a large influx of migrants. And doctors have been, the BMC has said that it's undertaken a number of measures. It's alerted schools and colleges across the city. It's asked doctors to treat patients as soon as they come in. Because the symptoms are so common, patients have been advised to visit the doctors at the earliest. Also, patients who are suffering from other illnesses like diabetes and other chronic illnesses have been asked to be more alert because they are also more vulnerable, more prone to this disease.
And in Telangana, special attention to children, the most vulnerable group.
We are regularly instructing them to wear masks and wash their hands regularly after every interval.
And as the disease spreads rapidly across the country, state governments struggle to cope. And in Rajasthan, tourists coming in will be warned of its influx at railway stations and airports. NDTV Bureau Report.